Hi, this is Sean from Hertels Coins, and today we have a very great thing for you. We have purchased over $20,000 worth of PCGS and NGC Graded Coins you're about to see, so stay tuned. So we recently just acquired a bunch of graded stuff from another coin dealer recently. It's a bunch of PCGS NGC Graded Coins. Some we're going to sell on our website retail, some we're going to send a CAC, and we've got one that we're going to crack out. So let's get to it. First one up is a very nice Mercury Dime. As you can see, very high grade, hardly any marks in it. This is a 1939 older style NGC holder, and this one is a 67. Very nice white Mercury Dime. Next up, we have another Mercury Dime. This one's a 1937. Again, very nice white coin, as you can see. And this one is a proof, which is proof 66 from PCGS. Get up closer, you can see maybe a little mirror flash in it, as you can see right there. Now you can see the proof finishes. Yeah, very nice coin. Next, we have another Mercury Dime. A little bit hazy on this one, but as you can see the flash, this one is also a proof. You get the reverse. And this one is a proof 66 by PCGS. Got one more Mercury Dime here. This one is an early date, 1917. Nice original luster to it. Older style PCGS holder. I love older style stuff. To me, they were very conservative on grading back then, so sometimes you can get upgrades or even CAC stickers on them. Nice original toning on the reverse. And this one is a 65 by PCGS. Next up, we got a series of bust halves. First one up is an 1809 with nice original color to it. Reverse, also very pretty. And this one is an AU55 by PCGS. Another bust half. This is an 1832. Nice little original gray color to it. Still a lot of detail left in the coin. And this one is an AU50 over 10 120A variety. And this is from Stack's 57 St. Collection. Nice coin. Next up, another bust silver $50. Nice little, on the bottom you can see pretty neat, nice little dark die cracks. They're running underneath the date around towards the rim. Very cool. Reverse, nice original color. And this one was an AU58 by PCGS. Very exciting. And then we got one more bust half. I love bust halves. Such a neat little coin. Bust dimes, quarters, halves. My favorite's the halves, though. What's your favorite? Do you guys like the dimes, quarters, or the halves for the bust series? I really like the halves. Very nice. Nice original color on this one. A little bit more white than the others. And this one was AU55 also by PCGS. Older style holder. Next up, we got some Mercury halves. This is a 1943 common date, but nice white coin, nice original luster on it. And this one was MS66 by PCGS. And I said before in its earlier videos, the 41 through 47 series for Walking Liberty halves, I think, is underpriced right now. Most coins, even 65s, you can pick them up for $100. I think it's not a bad series to collect, and something that we'll definitely appreciate in the future. I believe so. This is a semi-key date, Morgan dollar. This is an 1893 O. Circulated coin, but still got a lot of meat to the details. You can see a lot of the details still left in the coin. And this one was XF40 by PCGS. Next we have another Morgan dollar. This is an 1881 Carson City, which all Carson Cities, if you've noticed the trends, have gotten very, very hot. Normally, for instance, the GSA, even the standard Morgan dollars, you used to pick them up for $175 to $200 in uncirculated grades. Now you can't buy anything less than $350. So common date Carson Cities have definitely jumped up in value recently. And this one is a 63 by PCGS. We got another 78 CC here. Another Carson City. This is the first year Carson City for the Morgan Dollar series, which is the 1878 CC. And this one's a 64 by PCGS. Next up, another semi-key date Morgan Dollar. Nice white coin. This is an 1894 S from San Francisco. Nice original white luster to it. It's got the cartwheel effect going for it. And this one's an MS62 by PCGS. Now this is neat. The older soapbox NGC holder. Very nice original luster toning on it. I love the toning, this orange toning on it. And then, like I said, this is the older NGC holder. As you can see, the holder is very fat, more thick than your normal NGC holder. See, that's the fatty holder. This is your normal NGC holder. So this is the early style NGC holders, which most coins, they grade it very conservatively. Nice white with orange rim toning in the reverse. This is a very pretty coin. And this is MS65 by NGC. Very nice coin. First year Liberty V nickel. This is an 1883. And with this variety, there's two varieties. One that doesn't have cents in the bottom, and there's one with cents. The one with cents is a more rare of the type. And this one does have the cents on it. Nice original coin. And this is MS63 by PCGS. Next, we have a Buffalo nickel, a semi-key day Buffalo or early teens type Buffalo. This is a 1916, and this is an S-Mint series. Very nice original coin. A lot of detail left in it. Nice original color. And this is AU50 by PCGS. Next, we got a very high grade, common date, but very high grade, and an older style green holder by PCGS. Blazing luster to it. This is a 1937 Buffalo nickel. And this one is an MS66 by PCGS. Very nice. Next up, a little bitty half dime. This is a seated Liberty half dime, 1847, circulated type condition. Nice original color. And this is VF35 by PCGS. A little bit of an older style holder, but a very gorgeous coin. This is an 1853. There's literally no marks in this coin. There's scratching on the casing, but coin is like absolutely gorgeous. Nice original brown luster. Same as the reverse. This coin is gorgeous for its grade. An NGC graded a 66. I think if you crack this out, it might come back 67. Even the 66 plus. But I'm probably going to set the CAC. Maybe I'll get a gold sticker. But yeah, this coin's absolutely beautiful. Lastly is another dime. Mercury Dime. As you can see on this one, definitely it's a proof. So it's a 1939 proof Mercury Dime, which is a proof 67. Very gorgeous coin. It's almost a cameo in my position. Definitely got the whiteness, and it should be a cameo holder. Very nice coin though. Alright. Some more coins. Next on here, another proof Mercury Dime. This is a 1940 proof. Nice white coin, and this is a proof 65 by PCGS. And next dime's a 1942 proof by PCGS, and it's a proof 67 Mercury Dime. Last Mercury Dime, this is a 1941. See, I purchased pretty much like a whole run of them, which is nice. Older style PCGS holder, and it's a proof 66. On to some gold pieces. We got a 1907 D-Mint $5 gold piece, Gold Liberty. And this one's 61 by NGC. Next gold coin is actually a rare date. Pretty expensive coin. This is an 1845 D 2.5 Gold Liberty. Very nice coin. The D-Mint mark on the bottom. Definitely a rare coin. And this one is AU58 and a new style holder by PCGS. Next we have 1864, and this is the L variety. Nice original coin. I don't know if you can see. And this one's VF25 by NGC. 1867 Indian Cent, graded by PCGS. Nice original color. And then in the bottom, you can see in the date, if you look closely, you can see that doubling above the 7, a little bit above the 6. So this is an 1867 over 67 variety. And it was graded by PCGS as XF40. Another one of my favorites. Very popular right now. This is a 1922 with no D Lincoln penny or wheat cent. And this one's graded fine 15 by PCGS. Next up, gorgeous Indian Cent. Common date, but very, very pretty colors. Nice blazing original mint uncirculated luster. And this one's 65 red by PCGS. Next is another one of my favorites, probably my favorite wheat cent. This is a 1955. And you notice in this 55, Liberty, God We Trust, and the date is doubled. So yes, this is a 1955 double die wheat cent. It's by far my favorite wheat cent. By far my favorite variety, just because you can see a double, major doubling without a magnifying glass. And this one's graded by PCGS as an AU55. Another Indian cent. This one's a semi-key date. This is a 1908S. Nice little luster on it, little orange toning coming out in the coin. This is graded 64 red brown by PCGS. Next is a key date Indian cent, which is an 1877. Yes, it's a little gray, but it's very popular coin right now. Even if you're trying to fill a hole in the book, this is a perfect coin for it. As you can see the date right there, 1877. And this was cleaned at one point. So it's between a poor and a fair with a clean detail. But perfect coin for a hole filler in an album if somebody's looking for that date to fill their album up. Lastly is the first year wheat cent, 1909 VDB. nice yellow orange luster. And this one's 65 red by PCGS. Next is something I definitely want to think about cracking out. This is an old first generation annex holder. It's a 26S and they graded MS63 brown. So I'm going to crack it out, resubmit it, and hopefully I'll cross over to PCGS and we'll do a grading reveal on it in a future video for this one. And lastly, not a graded coin, just a nice 1829 bust $half. Again, one of my favorite coins, the bust half. So I had to get one even though it was graded, not graded. Alright, that's all I got for you this video. We're going to be posting these coins on our website. Some we're going to be sending to CAC, some we're going to crack out to get hopefully upgraded. So please join our website, hertelscoins.com, to see the coins, close-up pictures and things like that. Also, always like and subscribe our videos, and I hope I see you guys again the next time. Thank you.